Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Please share these videos. Let everybody know about the good vibes, about the differences between the days, the uniqueness of all of us. Today is Wednesday, the day of the Communicator. The Communicator. And hello to all the spiritual communicators out there. Hello to Tom Waits. Hello to Sinead O'Connor. Hello to Ornette Coleman. Hello to Keith Jarrett. Hello to Daksha. And hello to everybody who has a communicator somewhere in their blueprint. You can have it anywhere. But in the spiritual, it makes you a jnana yogi, a deep thinker, deep thinker. And today, I'm going to read from one of my favorite Wednesday books, the Ribu Gita. I am not the individual soul. There are no differences for me. I am not thought, nor am I the mind. I am neither flesh, nor have I bones, nor am I the body with the ego. I am not all. I am transcendent. I am of the nature of knowledge. I am not all at any time. At any time. I am not dead. I have not another life. I am not just consciousness. I am not. I cannot be spoken of, nor am I liberated. I am not enlightened, ever. Ever. I am not a void. I am not an ignoramus. I am not all. I am transcendent. I am ever Brahman, alone, consciousness. I am not the essence, nor Sadashiva, ever, ever. I am not the nose, nor am I the scent. I am not a symbol. There are none dear to me. I am not the individual soul or its essence. I am not Varuna, the deity of water, nor am I the terrestrial globe. I am Brahman. There is no doubt of this. I am without any name or form. I am not the ear, nor am I the sound. I am not any of the directions, nor am I a witness. I am not you, not heaven, and not air, nor am I a witness of these. I am not the organ of excretion, nor the excretion. I am not death, nor am I a witness. I am not a mystery, nor am I a joy. I am not any other God. All is Brahman. There is no doubt of this. Indeed, all is Brahman alone. I am not the mind, not Sankalpa, not the moon, nor am I a witness either. Woo-hoo. I am not the intellect and not the senses. I am not Brahman, the creator, nor do I have a definite form. Today I connect with the communicator in my blueprint. I connect with the communicator in my blueprint. I connect with the communicator in my blueprint.